How to post my ad on Kijiji. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today you'll be learning how to post your ad on Kijiji. So all you need to do first is to log on to Kijiji website on your PC or on your mobile phone using www.kijiji.com, and the home page will be displayed on your screen just like you have it here. You can see it on my screen here. You see a lot of things on the home page. At the top left corner of the screen, you see the Kijiji logo. Then close to it, you see the search box to input whatever you're looking for, whatever product you're looking for. Kijiji. Once you've inputted the name of the product, it can be car, it can be house, it can be jewelry, it can be whatever that you're looking for, that you want to buy or sell on Kijiji. Once you've imputed the name, you click on search. Yes, before clicking on search, there's this category option that you have to click on. Once you click on category, you look for wherever the products you want to look for, wherever it falls under. If it falls under cars and vehicles, you click cars and vehicles. If it falls under real estate, you click real estate. There are several options here, so you can just explore and make sure the category you choose is in tandem with the product you're looking for. So once you've selected the category, you move to the search icon, you click on search, and the product will be displayed on your screen. And close to it, we have the location icon. Here you can see your location, the exact place you are in the world. And close to it, you have my favorite icon. Here you can just save up products that you like under this icon. So close to it, at the top right corner of the screen, we have the notification icon. Here you see notifications on Kijiji. Also, we have the message icon close to the notification icon. You can converse with your buyers and sellers on Kijiji. And close to it, we have the profile icon. Here you can set up your profile, you can change your email, or you can change your password, you can upload a profile picture, and so on. And close to it, we have the post ad icon, where you can post your adverts on Kijiji. And remember, Kijiji is an online marketplace where you buy and sell online. So you can scroll down the page and just explore on the page. There are several products displayed on the home page of Kijiji with their prices attached to them. So if you want to buy any of these products, just make sure that the price of the product is what you'll be able to afford before placing your order. So you can just basically explore the home page to see an overview of what Kijiji is all about. So back to posting my ad on Kijiji. At the top right corner of the screen, you see the profile icon. You click on the profile icon. The profile icon is just before the post ad icon. You click on your profile icon and a drop down will be displayed on your screen. And on this drop down, we have the options to see your ad, to place your orders, or to see the orders that you've placed. You have the option to view your profile. Also, you have the access to your account settings. You want to change some things on your Kijiji account and so on. You can simply click on this option and do that. Other options are also listed on the drop down. But since you want to learn how to post my ads on Kijiji, you simply go back to the top of the drop down. The first option we have on the list on the drop down is my ads option. You click on my ads option, and then you wait for the ad option to load. Then after the page of the adverts page has been loaded on your page, you see the adverts, the ads that you've posted on Kijiji. For me, I do not have any active ad at the moment, but for you, since you want to post one of your ads, you should have active ads already. So you just simply click on the particular ad that you want to click on. If you can't find it on the list on the advert page, you take a look at the right side of the screen where we have the search box. You can input the title of your ad, that's your advert, in the search box. Then you search for it and it will be displayed on your screen. If that's the particular ad that you want to post, you just click on the ad, and under it you see the option post. So you click on the option post and your advert will be post. But for me, I do not have any active ads, so I'll not be able to do that. But for you, you should see the option post on the particular ad that you want to post, and once you click on this option, that particular ad will be posted on your Kijiji account, on Kijiji website. So this is simply how to post ad on Kijiji account, on Kijiji website. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.